Hey, what's going on, you guys? Welcome to a new video. So today we're going to be doing a front bumper install as well as showcasing the new headlights from Ultimate Motorsports and installing the new Type R front grille from American Modified. So we got a lot of sponsors in this video, and I'm really excited to show you guys the result of the Civic, as you guys saw in the beginning of the video. But anyway, here is the front bumper from Partify, and this thing is absolutely perfect condition, wrapped in its own little packaging along with a ton of packed air, and it keeps it nice and sturdy in the package. So once we got it all wiped down, look how beautiful this paint job looks. Like, not even just about the perfect paint match, but the paint job is insanely perfect. The reflection's crazy. There's zero orange peel. I am so impressed with Partify, and I'm not just saying that since they sponsored the video. I am genuinely impressed. I've worked with other bumper companies, and this is by far the best paint match I've ever seen. Best quality of paint work. Definitely recommend you guys check out Partify if you guys need any new parts on your car or replacement parts. But we got these little vents inserted. I had to get some new ones since the old ones were cracked from the accident. Just got some black ones without the matching blue little swoosh, and I think it looks really good. I think the full blackout look does not look bad, and yeah. So we got the whole lower grille part in as well, and that was a pain, but once you guys get it in, it looks great. So last video we installed these fenders on the car, and they are also all perfect paint match and perfect condition. And anyway, let's go ahead and get everything installed and show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so here's the paint match from last time with the fender and the door. So fender's the new one, the door is OEM. Can you guys see a difference? I can't see a difference. It looks perfect on both sides, from the top or for the door, and I am just very impressed with the paint match from Partify, especially when they don't actually get to see your car in person. That is just insane. We got this whole new front bumper all ready to get put on, and I am just so excited to see the final result, you guys. Alright, so before we get the bumper put on, we got to put on this front grille from American Modified. So thank you so much to American Modified for sending this out. I have worked with them over the last like 4 years on my first Civic. I've worked with them on my GR86 and now this Civic Si. So very great sponsor I've worked with. Excited to show you guys this awesome Type R front grille. In perfect condition as well. Beautiful gloss black and a spot for the emblem. We're just not going to put the SI back on the front of the car, but I really love how the Type R front grille looks. It gives you way more like airflow right there on the bottom. It's not all blocked up like the OEM one. And I'm very excited to have this installed and show you guys what it looks like. But look at that, just so beautiful. Everything fit perfectly, no issues whatsoever, and I reused the screws from the OEM one. And then we got the fog lights installed on the bottom there. Those were kind of a pain. You have to do it before you install the vents. So take out the vents, install the fog lights, and then put the vents on. And then here's the little eyelid part, and that part goes over the headlight. So you got to make sure you have your headlight clips on in order to make sure those clip in. And here are the beautiful headlights from Ultimate Motorsports. Definitely love how those turned out, you guys. Just looks absolutely amazing. We just need some side markers on next. And there is no gap in the hood. We just didn't close it all the way here. But look at that beautiful paint match, you guys. And the awesome new front grille, as well as those beautiful headlights. You guys, we got this thing coming together so nicely. And I'm very excited to share it with you guys. And that paint match is just perfect. It looks like it's straight from OEM. And when we got this thing CHP certified the other day, the guy didn't even know that these were aftermarket parts, he asked if we got them from a junkyard because they were so perfectly paint matched. And that was not the case. We got them from PartifyUSA.com. Make sure you guys check them out. The car is running now. It is a little bit rough, so we're just gonna have to figure out. I'm gonna do the spark plugs, do the fuel injectors, and we're gonna make it run beautifully. But anyway, let's go ahead and show you guys what these headlights look like when they're on. My favorite thing about these, since they're the Dragon sequential ones, just look at that beautiful daytime running light, you guys. So awesome. Definitely recommend you guys check those out. I'll link everything down in the description down below. We'll have the Partify link for parts. We'll have the American modified front grille if you guys want this awesome Type R front grille. And we'll have these beautiful sequential Dragon headlights from Ultimate Motorsports. So thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos on the Civic, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, everybody.